Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Leslie's Constitutional Kitchen, the Liberty Kitchen. And we'll take a look at what we're cooking today. We have a rice dish that I think you'll enjoy. This one over to get ready. A little bit of vegetable oil and butter. So there's wild rice and long grain white rice cooked, mixed with an egg, and just a little bit of salt and pepper, tiny bit of cornstarch, and I overcooked it so it was very pasty. Can be used as a breakfast cereal as well. And I'm making some nice rice pancakes. Check to see if that's cooked. That looks good. You could even let it go a little bit longer. Crispy rice on the bottom of the rice cooker is actually quite delicious if you leave just a very thin coating of a few layers of rice on the bottom. Let it overcook. Not to burnt, but it's kind of delicious. You could dip this in sour cream like you would with some chives or other spices, as you might a potato pancake or a sweet potato pancake. That side isn't quite cooked enough, so let's leave that in. Give it a blow. I love the sound of the gas coming on. Well, that's a loaded statement, isn't it? Especially going into a dystopic 2022 and I'm still here. Still have that ragtime flag on. So, top it with just a little bit of salt. Kosher salt. So wishing all of you a healthy 2022. And hang on to your seats and your hats. It's gonna be a rocky ride, folks. Protect liberty and protect the Constitution for the sake of our progeny. All aboard the Liberty ship. Yum.